Today I'm going to be showing you outline stitches for hand embroidery. Let's go. The first stitch I'm showing you is back stitch. So we're going to bring our needle up at the end of the line. And then 1/4 of a centimeter, we're going to skip forward, bring our needle back to the back of the fabric. Another 1/4 of a centimeter forward on the line, we're going to bring our needle back up to the front. And then we're going to go back to our previous stitch and we're going to put our needle in the same exact hole as our previous stitch ended. And we're going to pull tight. So we're going to do this again. We're going to skip forward another 1/4 of an inch. Bring our needle and thread up. Then we're going to go back to our previous stitch and in the same exact hole where we ended our last stitch, we're going to bring our needle down. You're going to do this every time, trying to make your stitches the same distance every time so that it has a uniform look. So you can leave your back stitch as is, or you can also do whipped back stitch for outlining items. We're gonna go to the end of our line here. We're gonna bring our needle back up. And then through the same side each time, I'm gonna bring my needle underneath my back stitches. So I'm gonna go from the right side because I'm right-handed. And I'm just going to take my needle underneath my stitches. Remember, go underneath the back stitch on the same side each time. To end our whipped back stitch, we're simply going to bring our needle down at the end of our line. The next stitch I'm going to show you is stem stitch. We're going to bring our needle up at the start of the line. And then I'm going to hold it a little bit taut with my left hand. And I'm going to then bring my needle down about 1/4 of an inch. We're going to pull a little bit tight, but not all the way. And we're going to bring our needle up at our first point. Then we're gonna pull tight. Now I'm gonna hold it with my left finger again. I'm gonna go forward another 1/4 of an inch. Hold it, and then I'm going to bring my needle back at the end of my previous stitch. And I'm gonna bring it up. And do it one more time. I'm gonna bring my needle down a little bit ahead, pull it, and then at my previous stitch, bring my needle back up. So we're gonna do this every time. And then to end our stitch, we're going to do it one more time. And then we are going to bring our needle back down at the end of the line. The last outline stitch I'm going to show you is chain stitch. So we're going to bring our needle up at the start of the line. I'm going to hold it in my left finger so that it's pulled tight. Then I'm going to bring my needle back down exactly where I entered the fabric. It's going to pull into a little loop. We don't want to pull it all the way tight because it'll go to the back of the fabric. So we're going to leave that little loop, and then we're going to bring our needle up through the middle of the loop a little ways down the line. And then it's going to pull and catch. Then we are going to hold it with our left hand again, and then we're going to bring our needle back down in the middle of that loop. Make sure it's in the middle of the loop or we're going to get off of our chain stitch. So we're going to bring our needle down in the middle of the loop, and then we're going to pull it tight but not too tight, and we're going to have another loop. And then we're going to bring our needle forward and then come up in the middle of the loop once more. So we're going to do this every time, bringing our needle in the middle of the chain. Pull it so that there's a little loop, and then we're going to come up in the middle of the loop. And to end our chain stitch, we're going to do one more chain. And then this is important so that your chain doesn't come undone. We're going to bring our needle on the outside of our last loop so that it locks into place. And those are the 3 most common outline stitches for hand embroidery. Hey Stitchers, I hope you enjoyed that beginner embroidery tutorial. If you did, go ahead and follow my YouTube channel. I'm going to be sharing a lot more beginner embroidery videos for starting hand embroidery and what you need to know. So until next time.